morning, everyone. To start our meeting, please welcome Mr. Julio Angelo Ordron, our CEO and company president.
Good morning, everyone. I arranged this meeting for a special announcement to promote a certain employee from his present position to managerial. We all know that there are a lot of potential employees here in our company that has the capacity to excel and to become a future manager. But there is only one to surpass the qualification of a manager you're looking for. To cut this introduction, I would like to introduce to you our new marketing manager. Please welcome Mr. Crispin Garcia.
Thank you, Mr. President. It's an honor to become a new marketing manager of this company, and I will assure to all of you that I will finish all my tasks and duties and responsibilities. In my past 10 years of service here, I exert a lot of effort to finish my tasks and projects that are assigned to me. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Garcia. The asset is being here because we must inform you that I'm checking you to handle a very important project. As you know, our company is well known in producing good quality products here in the Philippines, even if we don't have any advertisement. Aside from that, our customers are not fair to us. I want to expand our company. I want to expand the operation of our company not only here in the Philippines, but also in the other countries. I decided to make any other advertisement to attract more customers, especially those foreign investors.
Okay, sir, I will create my team and start the project immediately.
Luck to you and to your team. I know you can do it. Thank you, Mr. Garcia.
Good morning, team.
Good morning, sir.
The President gave me a special task. The President wants to expand the operation of the company, not here in the Philippines, but also in other countries, through advertisement. And I'm expecting a lot of effort and cooperation coming from you, and hoping I can get a lot of a good result for this.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. We will do our best, sir.
Each of you have a different task to do. You, Ms. Moran, you will find the place for the advertisement. You, Ms. De La Cruz, you will handle all the products you will be using for the advertisement. You, Ms. Damian, you will look for a person that will be representing our company. And you will, Mosquera, you will manage our transportation expense. The rest of the employees, please support and cooperate your group leaders. If you have any clarifications and questions, don't hesitate to approach me. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How's your task?
Sir, I found a place where we could help our advertisement shooting. ABC place where a lot of employees are working, and it is the best place to use.
Good. How about yours?
Yes, sir. I submitted a request for financial support in the accounting department, and aside from that, we are conducting a hackathon for the crops that we will use in our company.
Good boy. Keep it up. We need to finish this project at the end of this month. We only have 3 weeks to go.
Sir, there's a lot of parties who want to participate in our advertisement, so I have decided to conduct an audition to determine the best among the rest.
Okay. Ms. Mosquera, how's our transportation?
Sir, we have 2 choices. First is we can bring our own car, and second, we can use the shuttle of our company.
Okay, that's alright. Just inform me if there's any problem. Meeting adjourned.
Thank you, sir.
Team, it's almost 2 weeks before the deadline. I need your updates regarding with your project.
Sir, we need the requirements for police support and authority acknowledgement for security purposes and in office to conduct a shooting so that we will not encounter any problem
2 weeks before the deadline.
Sir,
How about you?
Sir, we have a problem too. The accounting department didn't issue yet the check we need for the crop, sir.
Then confront her. Do something. Don't just sit back in there. We need that check for the prop.
But sir...
No!
Yes, sir.
You!
Sir, just is pregnant.
What? What do you mean she's pregnant?
Because sir, after their rehearsal, the continued to shoot the scene outside. Now her mother blamed us that she's daughter got pregnant.
Huh? We're almost doing this practice for almost 2 weeks. And then somebody gets pregnant? Why don't you just find somebody else? Maybe her mother gets overreacting here. Or else I'm going to put all the rules on you.
Yes, sir.
And as much as possible, don't just sit there and doing nothing while I'm not around. You! Don't tell me you have a problem too.
Actually, sir, we can't use the shuttle for this week because the other departments have outing, so they are the first one to ask permission with the management.
This can't be. We can commute and then...
Oh my God, you wouldn't like him when he's mad. Really? You know, guys, he told me to go to the accounting department and shout, "Where is our check?" Just like that. Then the guard might probably kick me out of the building. Duh.
Who do you think would do that kind of work?
Do you want me to eat your face?
Maybe he's pressured enough because he is a newly appointed manager and it is the first task that assigned to him. We should understand him.
What are you talking about? I'm not lying to you.
just shut up, okay?
No! I want to shut up until you tell me all
Shut up! I
Hey,
don't want to hear your voice. So you think that I don't know that you went to your mistress' condo?
what are you talking about? I don't go. We went
Oh,
out.
don't lie to me.
We went out. We watched. You have to
Don't
believe.
lie to me. Hey, mister, are you gonna drink all day? The truck ban has been started. You also stopped working.
Are you insane? I'm a truck driver.
Stupid! You're a garbage truck driver. Who do you think you are?
Why are you late? Mr. Garcia is looking for you. I can see his madness.
Huh? It's so traffic. I even skipped my breakfast.
What now? I already sent the company's acknowledgement letter. Did they say anything about it?
Sir, I am about to go there.
Then hurry up. We're running out of time. If you can't fix this, we're all dead.
Promise, I fix it.
Then fix it.
I have a problem with our props. I can find someone to do the design. Would you like to be? I know, actually I know you are talented and you are good looking too.
No way! I'm already stressed with my work, my family, my friends, and even in my love life. I quit. But please help me. What's there? I don't know.
Please be seated. I called for a meeting regarding with your performance. As what I've seen, you are all responsible, especially you, Mr. Garcia. I choose you as the manager of this organization because you possess all the capabilities, knowledge, and skills, and you can handle your subordinate well. But what is this? Your subordinate is very responsible. They do not perform their job well. Are you aware of this?
Mr. President, I'm sorry to disappoint you. I will talk to my subordinates regarding with this matter. I will assure that we will finish this as soon as possible.
You must not disappoint me again. I will forgive you now, but this is the last time that you will do this.
Yes, Mr. President, this is the last time.
Okay, meeting adjourned.
Can I have your attention, please? I had a meeting earlier with Mr. President and the Board of Directors. They were all disappointed. As a manager of this organization, all your performances are reflected to my capability to lead you. And just like this, you're not performing your job well. I need your full cooperation regarding with this matter so this problem will not be repeated again. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. We will do our best. We're sorry for what happened.
We will cooperate to accomplish our job on time.
That's what I want to hear from all of you. Words are not enough. Prove it and take an action and provide a positive outcome. This is the end of conversation. You can take your break.
Yes, sir. How's life?
So much problem. I'm so stressed. I think my effort is not enough to handle this. The president is so mad at us, especially to me, because he thinks that I can handle my subordinates.
Chill, my friend. Relax. Take a deep breath. You can handle them, of course. I know you're such a good leader. It's just that you're very much pressured with all your tasks.
How could I relax? We're running out of time. The deadline of duties is here. But still, we're not yet done with our project. And we still have many things to do.
That's what I'm trying to tell you a while ago. Do not overthink and don't be so much pressured with that. Relax for a meantime, and then when you're relaxed, start all your tasks. At least start your work in a calm way. You can do it, friend. Don't be so negative with the things around you. If your president thinks that you can handle your subordinates, then prove them wrong. Prove them that you can. That's your responsibility. Enough, and you're suited to be a leader. Cheer up. I trust you.
Yeah. Thank you for your support, friend. At least now, I know that I can do this because you're here for me.
Of course you can. I believe in you, and you're always welcome.
Mr. Secretary, have a seat. Mr. Secretary, can I talk to you about our meeting a while ago?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any suggestions regarding the problems in our new project? Why they are not so productive and they are not actually performing their designated task very well?
Yes, sir. I noticed your performance. I think they must be motivated and ready.
What do you mean?
What I mean, sir, is I think you must have an interpersonal relationship with your employees. Like talking to them about the environment if they're performing well. Another one, sir, you must be open to your employees about their comments, suggestions, reactions, questions, anything. Lastly, sir, you must show to them that they are important to your company.
Think you have a point on that.
Another suggestion, like Miss Moral. She has a problem with her family, although it is out of the business. But it's the cause, but she can perform well.
Okay, you're right. I think you have a point on that. I will think about the best solution for this problem. Thank you for your time. You can go now.
Okay, sir, you're welcome.
Thank you, Mr. Rosales.
God, help me to all the challenges that I am encountering now, at my work, at my family, and I hope that I can surpass all of this. Due to this, the people around me are being affected by emotions. I don't want to affect my responsibilities in my job and my co-workers and my relationship to my family. Thank you so much, and I hope all of this will be solved and everything will be okay when I wake up.
Preview.
Sorry for the past few days. We have a lot of misunderstanding with your mother. That's why we always argue. Sorry for that. I hope you're okay.
We love you so much, baby.
Preview.
Good morning, everyone. I called a meeting to inform you about our company performance. And I'm very happy because all the work we've done gave a good result and a better performance to our company.
That's a good news, sir.
Yes, that's the good news. But we must not be comfortable with our performance right now because we not yet reached our goals. So I'm hoping this time you will give your remaining time and effort for this project.
You can count on us, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. At this point in time, we need to reach first the goal of the company and be the best among the rest.
We will do our best, sir, and we promise that we will give our effort to our work.
Thank you. But before that, I will give your desired task for each and one of you.
What task, sir?
Ms. Moran, make a SWOT analysis of our company and also for the others.
How about me, sir?
With the business strategy of our company, and after you make this, make a recommendation and suggestion out of it. So that's all. I'm already giving your desired task, and I still believe in you, and I know you can do it.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, meeting adjourned.
Guys, sorry for the past few days. I am entering some problems, and I suddenly put all the blame on me, especially you. I am really sorry. I hope you understand.
It's okay. We will understand you. You're not having a bad time, so I believe that you can do it.
Thank you, guys. So, let us do our work, and let us not disappoint our managers, even this company.
Okay.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
recognizing all your effort, hard work, and perseverance achieved to complete this project. And of course, I would like to thank all of you for the success of this project with the cooperation of each one of you. Especially the manager and supervisor who did their best to manage and organize everything. I thank the secretary and all the employees for all your cooperation and effort as well. Congratulations, everyone.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.